Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class, first we will finish question number 9 and 10 of exercise 20E. And then I am going to start the next one, that is area of circle. So let's find out the question which is left in the previous class. It is question number 9. A racetrack is in the form of a ring. Okay, a racetrack is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is 528 meter and outer circumference is 616 meter. So you have to find the width of that track, children, of that track. They said there is a racetrack, and you know how we can draw the racetrack. Always it will be a circular in each and every field. If you have seen, it is of circular one, and they said also that it is in the form of a ring. So we will draw a circle for it. And then there will be a racetrack. It means it will have some width inside it. It will have some width. Now you know that the center of the circle and the point on the circle, the distance from the center of the circle and the point on the circle is the radius. But it is not given to us. They said that circumference of inner circle is given to you. This is the circumference, the boundary of this circle. Circumference of inner circle and circumference of outer circle, both were given to us. The question is asking the width from us. This one, children, this one. What is the width of this circular track? It is throughout equal. Although it is not designed in that way, but it is throughout. The width is equal throughout. यहाँ से भी जितना होगा, same will be here. Everywhere the width will be same. Now, first of all, how we can find the width, children? How can we find the width? If we know the radius. If we know the radius of inner circle and if we know the radius of outer circle. The radius of inner circle is small r and radius of outer circle is capital R. From the center till the point on it. This will be the radius of outer circle and inner circle is small r. If we will subtract from outer radius, if we will subtract the inner radius, then we will get the leftover part, that is the width. Clear? Outer radius में से अगर आप inner radius if you will subtract, then you will get this one. This portion is left, and this is what? Width of the circular track. Now question number 9. This is exercise 20E. Okay, this is exercise 20E. It's exercise 20E, children. So 20F we will do after this. So children, inner circumference is 528. What is given to us? Given inner circumference is 528 meter. Inner circumference is 528 meter. It is given to us. Can we find the radius from it? This is inner circumference. This is the inner circumference. The radius we have taken as r, small r. So we know that circumference 2 pi r is equal to the circumference. We know it. Circumference of circle. We know this. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is equal to circumference of circle is given to us 528 meter. Can we find small r from here? Yes, we can find small r, unknown radius, we can find it from here. So small r radius is equal to 528. Now transpose these two on other side so that we can find the value of radius. So 2 and 22 is in numerator, so it will go for denominator, it will be divided here, and 7 is in denominator, it is in division, it will come here to multiply with numerator. Okay, now just solve it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 6 जा 12 and 2 4 जा 8 and then 22. So 11 2 जा 22, 11 2 जा 22, 4 is left, 11 4 जा 44. Again 2 we will cut, 2 1 जा 2 and 2 2 जा 4. So radius is equal to 12 into 7. Radius is equal to 12 into 7. So the first radius, okay, this will be in meter. The first one is, okay, it's not visible. See this, 84 meter. 12 sevens are 84. Now next part, let's find out the outer radius, because outer circumference is also given to us. Still our question is incomplete, children. We are finding it step by step. Circumference of inner circle is given to us, so we are first of all we have find the, what we have find, we have find the value of small r, that is inner radius. Inner circle का radius हमने find out कर लिया. Now let's find out the outer circle radius. So I am going to erase the board. Okay, so now instead of inner we will write outer. Also given के बाद लिखेंगे also what is given to us, it outer circumference. Outer circumference, it is 616. It is 616 meter. Radius, first का radius आ गया बेटा, this is 84. Keep it on one side. इसको एक तरफ लिखिए आप. And now the radius of next circle, that is outer circle का radius हम निकाल रहे हैं. This is the outer circle. Radius is 616 meter. So we can find the radius of outer circle, that is capital R. Now this will be 2 pi r, capital R. So this will be radius, and now it will change here. From here we have to change. What we have to change? That what is the capital radius? What will be the capital R? What will be the radius of outer circle? Okay. Now it is 616. It is what? 616 meter. So we can find the next one. We can find the next one. Keep r on one side. 616 is already on this side. Now when these two will transpose to other side, 2 into 22 will come down. 2 into 22 will come down, and this rate r will go up. That is 7. Not r, this 7 will go up. Now solve it, children. 2 3 ja 6, then 0 is left, and 8 ja 16. 2 3 ja 6, 1 is smaller than 2, so we will take it to 0 times. 2 zeros are 0, and then 16 will be left, so 2 8 ja 16. Now can it be divided by 33? So 22 na? Yes, it can be divided by 11, or you can divide it by 2 also first. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, so it can be divided by 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, 2 5s are 10, and 2 4s are 8. Now 154 will be divided by 11. 1, so it will be 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are those. So this will be 14 into 7. Now next is capital R. 14 into 7. So capital R will be equal to how much, children? It will be in meter, and 98. 14 sevens are 98. Okay. Now both radius we have find. One radius is 84 and another radius is 98 meter. So what we will do for finding the width? ये width आपको throughout equal मिलेगा. So finding this width, what we will do? We will subtract the outer radius. We will subtract the inner radius from outer radius. बाहर के रेडियस से, आउटर रेडियस सर्कल के रेडियस से इनर सर्कल का रेडियस हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. whatever will be left, it will be the width. यही बचेगा बस ये. This one will be left, and this is the width. So now 84 है बेटा ये. Now width of track, circular track भी लिख सकते हैं आप. This will be equal to outer radius minus inner radius. Outer circle radius, outer radius minus inner radius. outer circle radius minus inner circle radius. So this will be, it is 98 minus 84. So this is 14 meter. This is 14 meter. So width of track, circular track is now obtained. Width of circular track is 14 meter. ठीक है? First of all, find the outer radius and inner radius, and once you find the outer radius and inner radius, then subtract it to find the width. ये width है. This you will get, and it will be throughout equal. This is 14 meter. Now children, let's see the next question. Next question is, what is next question? Let's see. It is question number 10. It is question number 10. The inner circumference of a circular track is 330 meter. Inner circumference of a circular track is given. Just like in previous question, both the circumference were given to us. इस क्वेश्चन में हमको दोनों सर्कमफ्रेंस दिया गया था. In 10th question, they have given the inner circumference and they have given the track width also. ठीक है? In this question we have to find the track. In this question they have given the width of this track. Clear? Now calculate the cost of putting up a fence along the circular circle at a rate of 20 rupees per meter. हमको एक फेंसिंग करनी है. Where we have to do the fencing? We have to do the fencing on the outer circumference, outer circumference. यहाँ पे फेंसिंग करना है. इसके किनारे किनारे हमको कुछ बाउंड्री वॉल लगाना है. फेंसिंग करनी है बेटा. So for this we need circumference. We need the total length, that is the circumference 2 pi r we need. So for finding the circumference we need radius also. Radius is not given. And inner circle radius is also not given. They have given the circumference. So just quickly see what you have to do. Just remind all the data and then you can finalize quickly children that how you can find the outer radius that is needed for the fencing. So let's write down the question. Children, I am drawing the diagram for this. It's a circular ring, circular track. It will have two circles. Okay. Now see this. We are having the given part as inner circumference is 330. Inner circle circumference. Inner circle circumference is how much? 330. It is given to us children. It is given to us. Now why we are using this? Because if we will get radius from here, the inner circle radius, width we know already, it is 10.5. So we can get the outer circle radius. And once we will get the outer circle radius, then we can find the circumference of outer circle. Because we have to do fencing and we have to find out the cost for it. The question is basically for the fencing on this outer circle. Question में क्या कहा गया? In question it is said that we are doing a fencing on outer circle circumference. And the cost for fencing it is rupees 20 per meter. So what will be the total cost? So for finding the circumference, we need, circumference is 2 pi r. We need the radius of outer circle. We need the radius of outer circle. So if outer circle radius is capital R, so we have to find the radius of outer circle first, but it is not given. So whatever is given to us, we will start thinking on that. हमें ये दिया है inner circle circumference. So from this we can only find the radius of inner circle. So let's find out. Because once we will get the radius of inner circle, and from till here children, see, till here it is the radius. From point of center till here it is the radius. It is radius. And what is this? This is what children? This is the width of the circle. This is the width of the circle. So if you will add radius, and the width 10.5 width of the circular track, then you will get the outer circle radius, capital R. So let's find out the radius first. 2 into 22 by 7 into R, it is equal to 330. So radius is equal to 330 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So the radius will be equal to, let's cut down. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and 2 5s are 10. 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, and 11 5s are 55. 15 7s are 105 by 2, or the radius will be equal to 52.5 meter. 52.5 meter, because the circumference is in meter. The circumference is in meter. Now radius we know the width of the circular track. We can find the outer circle radius. So now let's do the next part. Outer circle radius will be equal to inner circle radius plus track width. So inner circle radius is 52.5, track width is 10.5. So 52, 10, 62 and 63 meter will be the radius of outer circle. 63 meter will be the radius of outer circle. Now children, let's find out the circumference. Now we will get the radius now. So we can find out the circumference. Circumference of outer circle is equal to 2 pi r. This is 2 into 22 by 7 into 63. 7 9s are 63. So this is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 into 9. 9 4s are 9 4s are children 36. Again 3 is left. 9 4s are 36. 39. 396 meter. 396 meter is the circumference which we have to fence. Now the next part is what? We will calculate the cost. Cost means 20 rupees per meter के rate के हिसाब से we have to cost. We have to find the cost. Now the total cost will be equal to how much? It is not given. We will find. Now the total cost will be equal to total fencing, the length to be fenced into cost per meter. Length to be fenced into cost per meter. So this is how much, children? Let me erase it. It is how much now? You can calculate. Okay, it is 20 rupees per meter. So length is 396 into 20. So this will come in rupees. 0 will come here. 6 2s are 12. 1 is left. 9 2s are 18. 19. 1 is left. 3 2s are 6. 1 7. 7,920 rupees. 7,920 rupees. So in this way we can do such type of calculation. Okay. Now let's see the next part, that is your exercise 20F. Children, before doing 20F, what we have to do? We have to see the area of circle. So let's first see the questions. Meanwhile, I am erasing the board work so that I can explain you how to find what will be the area of a circle. Till now we have completed what we have completed. Till now we have completed the circumference of a circle. Okay. Now we will do the radius and we will do the area of a circle. If you have to find the area, what will be the formula? Children, area. For finding the area, again we need radius. A circle must be with us, and we have to find the area of it. So area of, this is now 20f. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Children, now if you will see the page number 249, they have given us a circle and it is divided into some sectors. If you will see this, they have given us a circle which is divided into some sectors. Now they have arranged these sectors. They have broken this particular circle in a sector, and then they have arranged it in such a way that it forms a rectangle or parallelogram, you can say. Okay, like this. It will be a parallelogram. Now this will be half of the circumference. This will be half of the circumference, and the sectors, one is this one, will be the radius. So this is half of 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r. Let's see one time. Then I am going to explain it. See, we are having a circle, okay, and we have divided into sector. This is called as sector. Okay, segment is made up by using the chord, and sector is made up by using the two radii. One radius, another radius. So one more. In this way, they have divided it into various sectors. And now they have taken out one by one. So let's see, take out this. So you will get the sector in this way. Okay. Now take the another sector and this, arrange it side by side. So it will be in this way, but keep it upside down. Okay. Then again from here the third sector. Okay, third sector लीजिए and place it here. Then the fourth sector. Okay. So if you will see this, you will get यहाँ पे लगाइए ऐसे. So in this way you will get some sectors arranged in this way. So now this is what, ये क्या आ रहा है बेटा? What is this? This portion is this much, है ना? ये आ रहा है. This is, and again ये portion क्या आ रहा है? ये भी, this one is also the arc. ये arc है सारे, ठीक है? Part of circumference. So आधा ऊपर जाएगा, half circumference will go up and half circumference will go down, and in this way we will get a type of rectangle, you can say. और अगर ये tilted है तो फिर आप इसका आप क्या ले लेंगे? Tilted नहीं आएगा. It will be near about in this way, rectangular shape में ही आएगा. So now this will be what? ये हो गया आपका half of 2 pi r. अगर आप यहाँ से यहाँ तक की लेंथ लें, सारे सेक्टर्स को मिला के, if you will take, this is half of 2 pi r, and this one is what, children? This one is the radius. ये क्या है आपका? ये है क्या? ये क्या है? This one. ये क्या है आपका? What is this? This is the radius. ये क्या है आपका? Radius. So if this is the radius, now calculate the area. Area कैसे निकलेगा इसका? Base length into breadth, या इसको भी half of 2 pi r ले लो. Half of 2 pi r, ठीक है? तो half से half तो कट जाएगा. Can we do it? This is half of 2 pi r. Circumference का आधा portion यहाँ जाएगा, आधा portion will come in numerator. So half of 2 pi r. So half से half cancel, pi r ही बचा. Now base into height. Base into height will give you the area. इस पूरे का एरिया क्या देगा? Base into height. What is base? Pi r. And what is height? R. That is why area is pi r square, which is the area of a circle. When you will arrange this particular sectors divided by, from a circle, एक circle से जब आप ये सब sectors arrange करोगे in this way, then you will get the figure like this, and you will get it half of circumference you will get it on this side, half circumference you will get it on this side, and this is the radius. So once you will multiply to find out the area of this particular shape, then it will be base into height, pi r into r. ये pi r बचा यहाँ पे, and this is r. So this is pi r का square, pi r का square. That's why area of circle is pi r square. Okay, area of circle is pi r square. Now let's see the question. I am going to erase these drawing so that we can start the exercise. If you will see question number 1, in question number 1, find the area of a circle whose radius is given to us, children. Only radius is required, isn't it? Only radius is required to find the circumference or to find the area. दोनों केस में हमको radius ही चाहिए. So a radius they have given to us. So now what we will do? We will take the radius, put it in the formula, and we will calculate it. So let's do first question. Question number 1, first part. Question number 1, first part. Question number 1, first part, beta. Let me erase this. 20F is already written. Now, given. क्या given है? What is given? Radius is 21 centimeter. Radius of a circle is 21 centimeter. It is given to us. Now, they have given that what is the area. So we know area of circle is equal to pi r square. This is 22 by 7. R square means 21 into 21. 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21. Cut it down. So this will become 22 into 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. And now you have to multiply it. 22 into 63. Whatever will come, it will come in centimeter square. Let's do the calculation. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So this is 6, 8, 3, 1. 1836. 1386, children. 1386. Yes. 1386 centimeter square. It's very easy. Just take the value, put it in the formula. Same is in question number 2. The only difference is that in question number 2 diameter is given. In question number 2 first part, what is given to us? Diameter is given to us. It is 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. If the diameter is given to us, so what we will do? Come on. What we will do, children? If the diameter is given to us, can we put directly into the area formula pi r square? No. Here we need a radius. We need radius. So diameter is just double of radius. So what we will do? We will just make it half. Just divide it by 2 so that you will get the radius. What you will get? Radius. आपको क्या मिल जाएगा फिर? Radius. Now radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter है 28. 28 का half. So this is 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. Now put it in the formula. 22 by 7. Radius is now 14. So 14 लिख दीजिए. 14 into 14. So 14 into 14. So 7 2 जा 14. So this will become how much? 2 2 जा 4. 2 2 जा 4. इसको ऐसे ले लीजिए. या 22 into 14 1 जा 14. 14 2 जा 28. आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं. And it will also come in centimeter square. So let's do the calculation. 28 into 22. 8 2 जा 16. 1 is left. 2 2 जा 4. 1 5. And 8 2 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5. So this is 6, 5 plus 6, 11. And this will be 5 plus 1, 6, 6 1 6. 6 1 6. 6 1 6 centimeter square. This will be the answer. 616 centimeter square. So within few seconds we have find the value solution, isn't it? Because it's very easy. Only the things we have to put in the formula. Now see the third question. Now children, if you will see question number 3 and 4, both are equal. So I am going to solve question number 4. Circumference of a circle is 35.2 meter. Find its area. Circumference of a circle is 35.2 meter. Find its area. So for finding the area, we need radius, isn't it? Radius is, area is pi r square. Means r is needed for us. R is not given in this question. and they are asking what is the area. So let's find out from what is given to us. Circumference. 2 pi r is the circumference and its value is given 35.2. So let's find out the radius from here. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7 and it is 35.2. Keep r on one side. 35.2 is already on that side. You have to transpose this 7. So 7 divided by 2 into 22. 2 into 22. So now children, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is left. 2 sevens are 14. Again 1 is left. But decimal will come. 2 6 are 12. Now again from 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. So we can cancel out. This is 2 8 is 16. And 1 is left. So 2 8 is 16. And this is 11. 8 is 88. But decimal point will be there. So this will be 0.8. So radius is equal to how much? 0.8 into 7. In denominator nothing is left. So finally the radius is 8 sevens are 56 and 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Okay. So 5.6 meter. 5.6 meter. Now area. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Put the value. Pi is 22 by 7 or you can use 3.14 also. It's a decimal value. So you can use 3.14 also. I am using 22 by 7. 5.6 into 5.6. Okay. So now it is how much? 7. 8 ja. 56. So it is 0.8. So 22 into 0.8 into 5.6. This you have to multiply children. What you will do? Multiply all and then see 1 decimal place and 1 decimal place. So you have to put total 2 decimal place in the answer. So multiply all. So this is 22 8. 8 to just 16. 1 is left. 8 to just 16. 176. And then 56. So 6 6 are 36. 7 6 are 42 and 45. 4 is left. 6 1 just 6 or 4 10. 5 6 are 30. 3 is left. 7 5 to 35. 36 37 38. 3 is left. 5 1 just 5. 6 7 8. So 6 5 8 9. So it is 98.56. It is 9856 na. Overall the multiplication of 22, 8 and 56 is 9856. But it is not 8. It is not 56. It is having decimal place. Total 2 decimal place. So in the answer also you have to put 2 decimal place. And it will be in meter square. Meter square. Area. Isn't it? So I hope till here the questions are clear to you. If not, just do it. See the video again. And you can ask questions also in the query window. Children, till here complete your work so that we can start the next question, next part of question, left out questions in the next class. You have to solve till question number 12 only. In exercise 20F, you have to solve till question number 12 only. Okay? Take care children. Have a nice day.